Hi guys, welcome back to our kitchen. My name is Patrice.
And my name is Jamoy.
Okay, and today guys, we're making a special and it's callaloo with cabbage. Okay guys, so I'm going to jump right ahead and show you how I make my callaloo. Okay, I have all my ingredients here prepared. I have my scallion, my thyme, my garlic and hot pepper. Also, I have tomato that I will be using inside here. Green and red pepper. Also, I have cabbage and also callaloo. For those of you guys who does not know what callaloo is, it's a leafy vegetable. It's all green and mostly grown in like the Caribbean and maybe Africa. In Jamaica we use this as breakfast vegetable, but it can be used at any time of the day. It doesn't have to be a breakfast vegetable. It can be used any time of the day. And what we do here, we normally strip this part off. This piece, when it's too hot, this is like the outer skin. It makes the callaloo a little bit hard when you cook it. So we strip it off. We just use a knife to strip it off, and check to see if any bad leaves and stuff like that on the callaloo. So most of it I did already, so I'm just showing you guys how we do it. We just peel this part off and get rid of it, because this part, it makes you just eat this callaloo with ease without any hardness. Okay guys, so that's what we normally do. So it's a lovely vegetable. You know, we make it with we can use fish or salted pork with it, and it's very lovely. Okay guys, so I already chopped up the callaloo, so I'm just going to chop the rest of this one. In Jamaica we put it in our hands and cut it up just like this. Okay, so this is a quick and easy way for us, or if we don't have a chopping board. Okay guys, so okay, so what I will be doing here, so my oil is hot, and I'm just going to add all these ingredients here into the pot. Okay guys, so my thyme, my pepper and garlic will be going inside this hot oil. The oil was hot, but I put it on a lot because I don't want to get overheated. So here I have my onion, my garlic and my thyme, and my hot pepper is frying a bit. So now I will add my tomatoes to the pot. You could use oil or you could use butter. You can use any type. Okay guys, when you're doing this steamed callaloo, you could use oil or butter. Okay, whatever is your choice, you can use it. Okay. Okay guys, I will now add my green and red pepper. I'll show you how beautiful inside my pot is. See all the colors? just lovely. And it's, boy, if you could smell this kitchen, oh my God, it's smelling so good with all this thyme, the garlic, and the green onion, green scallion and onion. Wow, smell amazing, guys. Also, I have some codfish that I'll be using inside this dish. So what I'll do, I'll go ahead and add it as well. Okay? And at this point, I'm going to be seasoning it. So I'm going to use my Caribbean spice. You know, I don't measure, so I'm just going to add some sprinkle of Caribbean spice inside here. Also, I'm going to use some all-purpose seasoning. Okay? I'm not going to be using salt inside here. The fish already have some salt, so I won't be using any. And the seasoning, I've salted it, so I won't be using any salt. So if you want salt in your meal, you could go ahead and use salt in your meal, guys. Some little bit of black pepper here, okay? Boy, this is smelling so good, so good, guys. All these mixtures coming together. So what I'll do, I'm gonna go ahead and add my callaloo. Okay, guys. I won't be adding any water to this callaloo. It's going to make its own juices. What I'll do, I'm going to cover it and let it spring its own water. Okay, guys, and when I get back, I'm going to add my cabbage. The cabbage is very easy to cook, so within, say, 5 minutes, I will add this cabbage. Let's check to see the pot where it's at. Okay. I'm just going to stir it in. I wish you guys could smell the aroma coming from here. OMG. So at this time, what I'll do, I will add my cabbage. Okay, guys? And just stir that in. Mix that in. This is a beautiful mix. Cabbage with the callaloo. It's really very nice. Okay, guys, I will give it a another 5 to 10 minutes to steam. Okay, guys, and then it's ready for me to plate it. Okay, guys. So what I'll be eating with this meal will be some fried dumpling, otherwise called Johnny cakes. Okay, guys, with some plantains. That's what I will be eating with this lovely callaloo and cabbage. Okay guys, I'm going to be adding my plantain back to the dish. Okay, we're gonna add some plantain. OMG guys, OMG, look at this beautiful dish. Guys, thank you for watching this channel. I appreciate all the support that you have given me. Thank you, and don't forget to tell your friends, tell your family that Patrice has a YouTube channel and you guys need to watch it. Okay guys, here you can all your Jamaican dishes and many more. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Bye.